How to delete channels in your Slack. Hello everyone, and let's get started. As you can share a collaborative sharing using the Slack, you can create different types of channels on which you can work for a particular domain or a particular task. But if you no longer need any channel on your Slack workspace, there is an option by which you can leave the channel or create a channel or delete it. So, first of all, to create a channel, tap on the channel section. If you right click on it, you will have the option to create or manage the channels. Tap on the manage section and then tap on browse channels. It will now give you a list of all the channels that you have currently created and are logged in or joined into. So hereby you do not have the option to delete. However, if you hover around, you have the option to leave the channel. Once you leave the channel, it will also be removed from the side panel. However, if you are the admin, you can also right click on it, and then there's another option of leaving the channel as well as deleting the channel. Just tap on the option and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.